Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats promo code error. So if you're having this type of issues, so what you can do, firstly open up settings and then search for Uber Eats on your settings. So search for it so that you can get to the Uber Eats settings. So open it up and then here scroll down and you will see your here. So scroll down and then you'll see this option here under usage. You'll see storage. Click on storage and then here what you can do, firstly what you can do, hit on force stop. So click on force stop here and then force stop the app and then see if there is any update on Play Store. So go to your Play Store and see if there is an update for Uber Eats. If there is an update, just update it and then now relaunch the app and that should fix up the issue. Okay, and if you're still having issue with that, then try to restart your phone and then log in back to your Uber Eats account, and that should most probably fix up the issue. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.